Good morning. I want to talk to you this morning about something pretty unusual in my Marketing Minute video. And the title of this is called Hijacked Practice Name. And as most of you know, I've been involved in internet marketing now for many, many years. And I've never used Google AdWords. All my work is organic. It's kind of complicated. It gets more difficult by the month because Google gets more complex. But basically, what I want to talk to you about is something that happened with Google AdWords that I've never seen before. And it's fairly distressing because there's not an immediate solution to it. And so basically, what happens if you use Google AdWords, it gets you to the top of the front page with the sponsorship position. You pay. It can vary. Right now in the Lexington market, the major search terms are $10 to $15 per click for AdWords. Okay, there's a lot of cost involved. So to have an organic position on a front page is worth a lot of money. Okay, so this is what happened in the practice that I'm doing. You know, my major project for Drs. Pearson and Justice here in town. Here is their here's the search term and all of the returns on the first page, but the first Google AdWord at the top says Pearson and Justice Cosmetic Dentistry. And I was doing an audit, it's called a local citation audit, where I go in and look at all these different things. And I came across two different listings. One of them was 1-800-DENTIST, and then this was an individual dentist in the Lexington market. And so basically if you click on, it's their practice name, but it goes to a different doctor. That's fairly distressing because when you spend a lot of money on marketing and someone takes your name, that doesn't feel right. Now, here's Google's policy on a hijacked, what I call a hijacked practice name. We're not talking about a domain name. We're talking about you're doing business as. You know, if I'm Larkin Family Dentistry, that's somebody saying they're Larkin Family Dentistry. So Google's policy is this. If your practice name is trademarked, they will take a look at a Google AdWord that has hijacked your name. Otherwise, you're going to contact the violator directly, and otherwise, it's too bad, so sad. So this is something brand new to the market. We contacted the doctor who was using it. He had no knowledge, you know, his web guy. Basically, I think some of these search terms are auto-generated. I don't think it was done, you know, with intent. But the fact of the matter is, I'm seeing more of it, and it's something that you're going to have to be aware of because, you know, we're going back to your marketing. 80% of your marketing is internet marketing. That's where people are finding you, and all of a sudden you're going to see your name in an AdWord go to a different practice. It's fairly distressing. So this is something new that just happened this week that I'm aware of and I'm going to be watching for, and I'll kind of let you know as far as what outcome and as far as like a resolution to this, because I don't think if it's auto-generated there's any way to prevent it. So that's my marketing minute for today.